Hey everybody, come back with another quick video. Today we've got a electric typewriter. This is a Smith Corona. This is a Coronet Electric 10. This is the two-tone robin egg blue, the darker blue, and the wood grain on the face there. It's in good overall shape. Just did a quick cleanup on it. Seems to be good working order. Does have the key to the original hard case. You can see here has the original paperwork, and it's in pretty rough shape, but it does even have the original box. Go ahead and turn this on. Let's hear it work. Hear the motor go. If you can see the belts are not right there in the corner. But all the keys seem to work as they should. It does have a manual return, not the automatic return, but overall a neat little typewriter. Appreciate you watching. Thanks.